In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create image overlay in Webflow, the easiest way. Start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer and navigating to the page where you want the overlay. On the canvas, click to select the image you'll be working with. If that image lives inside a wrapper or card, click again to select the wrapper itself. Working on the parent element gives you cleaner control over positioning and any interactions you'll add. With the correct element selected, open the Element Settings panel and head to the Media area. Choose Image. Then click Choose Image to pick a file from your Asset Manager or upload a new one. Use a well-optimized image so your overlay feels smooth and responsive once it's live. After you confirm your choice, you should see the image update right on the canvas, which makes it easy to judge contrast and composition before you add effects. Next, take a moment to review the image loading behavior. You'll see three options. Lazy loads the image as it scrolls into view, which is great for performance on long pages. Auto lets the browser decide based on context, a safe default for most use cases. Eager loads the image with the page, useful for above-the-fold visuals that must appear instantly. Click through these to understand how each affects timing, then settle on the option that best fits your layout and performance goals. Click Show All Settings to expand additional controls. This is a good time to verify that your image container behaves the way you expect. A classic overlay pattern uses a container that's positioned relative with an overlay layer positioned absolute to cover the image. If your template already includes that overlay layer, you're ready to wire it up. If not, make sure your design includes a top layer with the color or gradient you plan to reveal. Now switch to the Interactions panel while the wrapper or image container is selected. Add a click trigger so the interaction targets this element. Configure the animation to toggle the overlay's visibility. Commonly, a quick fade in on the first click and a fade out on the second. Keep the duration short, around 2 to 3/10 of a second, for a snappy feel, and use easing that complements your site's motion style. When you're happy with the preview, publish your site to push the changes live. Test the overlay on the published page to confirm that the image displays correctly. The interaction feels smooth on both desktop and mobile.